I don't know what's wrong with me. I study English every day, but I still can't speak well.
You've been trying really hard. Why do you feel that way?
When I listen to people speaking fast, I understand nothing. It feels like all the words just fly away.
Yeah, that's normal. It happens to everyone at the beginning. When I first started learning, I felt the same way.
Really? Even you? You sound so natural now.
Of course. I couldn't understand movies or songs at first. I used to pause every 5 seconds to check the subtitles.
Oh, I do that too. I watch one sentence and then stop to look it up.
See? That means you're learning. You're not just watching, you're studying.
But sometimes I feel tired. I study grammar, I memorize words, but I still forget everything when I speak.
That's totally okay. Speaking takes time. You just need to build confidence, not perfection.
Confidence. That's hard. I'm afraid people will laugh at my mistakes.
No one will laugh. Most people think it's great that you're learning another language. And honestly, mistakes are proof that you're trying.
I guess so. But sometimes my brain just stops. Like I want to say something, but no words come out.
That's your brain translating too much. Try to think in English instead of your first language.
Think in English? How can I do that?
Start small. For example, when you see your coffee, think, this coffee smells nice. Or when you go home, think, I'm tired. I want to rest. Simple things.
Oh, so I can practice by talking to myself in English.
Exactly. It's easy and private. No one will judge you. It's one of the best ways to get used to English.
That sounds interesting. Maybe I'll try it tonight.
Good idea. You can also record your voice. When you listen again, you'll notice small mistakes and improve.
Wow, I never thought of that. That's a smart idea.
And one more thing, don't study only with books. Watch YouTube videos, listen to songs, or even talk to me in English.
Talk to you? You'll get bored so fast.
Never! Talking to you is fun. And if you make a mistake, I'll help you fix it.
That's kind. Thank you. You always make me feel better about learning.
That's what friends are for. You're doing great. You just need more time and practice.
Hmm, maybe I should stop being so hard on myself.
Yes, be kind to yourself. Even small progress is still progress.
You're right. Maybe I'll make a small goal, like learning 5 new words every day.
That's perfect. And next week, we can meet again and practice together.
Deal. But next time you're buying the coffee.
Fine, fine. I'll buy it only if you order in English.
Challenge accepted.